people here. I'm definitely not about to step on anybody. Everything's totally normal and fine. Nobody's looking at me at all. Oh boy.
I don't want to make things worse.
Oh, they're waving. Hi. Hi. Hi.
I don't want to make things worse, Eugene, but your shoelace is undone.
My shoelace? Come on, man. I'm already nervous enough.
I just...
All right. Okay, here, look. You know what, since we're already out here, we got people here. Let's just go for it. You know what? Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. You know, it's the day of first. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right. I'm taking the visor up.
There you go.
All right. Now they can see me. They can see all of my fears. And you know what? We're gonna go forward with it anyway. It's gonna be fine. All right. So I guess we'll start off with how to say hi. So, Calte.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Wow, that was great.
Easy. Got a lot of people out here who are versed in the Navi language, so they're gonna judge my accent. Awesome. No. We're taking positive. We're gonna do this. All right. So you guys already know how to say hello. I guess I should probably introduce myself. My name is Eugene Thompson. You'll hear a lot of people refer to me as Crash. You can call me Crash if you want. And this guy right here, I guess you want to introduce yourself? I can introduce you.
My name's Clark, Clark Scott. All of my friends call me Pancakes. Feel free to call me that or anything else, as long as it's not me. I have feelings too.
Well, anyway, Pancakes and I are a couple of PCI Rangers. We work with the PCI, or the Pandora Conservation Initiative, to do a lot of the hands-on work for the PCI in our efforts to help preserve and protect all the life that you see here in and around the Valley of Molara. Now, since we are PCI Rangers, like I said, we do a lot of the hands-on work for the PCI. A lot of times that involves us going out into the wilderness where everything wants to eat us. So that can be a little bit hazardous to our health at times. So that's where this bad boy comes in. And this right here is the Class T Byler 7600 Exo Carrier. Or utility suit. Oh, thank you. I was trying to do a thumbs up there and it didn't work. Glossing over that. Anyway, this suit is what we like to call a utility suit because it's way easier to say than Class D Byler 7600 Exo Carrier. But anyway, whatever you call it, this suit enhances our strength, enhances our mobility, and most importantly, offers us some degree of protection from some of the environmental threats that we face out there in the wilderness.
Even though you're fully exposed.
I said some degree of protection. I didn't specify how much.
That's what management tells us.
Yeah, that's safe. Anyway, so like we were saying before, we were kind of expecting this area to be clear of people so that we could run some tests in the suit. Clearly that's not the case. Pancakes decided to bring all you guys out here, which I'm totally cool with because you guys all seem really cool. But it does kind of hinder our ability to do some of those large-scale tests. But I think we can, maybe come to an arrangement of some kind.
I think we can scale it down. I think we can probably show these people quite a few tricks we could do in the suit. Only if they want to, though. You have a little cheerleader down here anyway.
Wow, she started a chant in my honor and everything. Wow, I'm not even nervous anymore.
There we go, see?
Wow.
Cool.
That's cool, that's awesome.
I'm
All right.
Wow.
Well, before we get started, we probably should run through a quick just calibration, before we start running around and stuff.
A calibration?
It probably would help. Well, I don't know. We got enough room for this.
Yeah, we got enough room. I can do the test. Hold on, I spin around once. Okay, we got enough room
to spin around once.
I'm dizzy.
So much room for activities.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's take those arms, all right? So let's make sure this one can go up and down.
All right, left arm up, left arm down, left arm up, left arm down.
Next one. All right, looking pretty good. Nice. And take those wrists for me.
Check the wrist. Check the wrist.
Take the fingers.
Take the fingers. Hey, how much power does an unobtainium battery have?
I don't know, how much?
Unlimited power!
You went dark side with that. Nice.
Oh, yeah, alright, cool. Oh, there you pinch. Got it.
Right. Oh, that's like the cutest.
Thanks. What? We have I think we have a PCI ground technician incognito out here.
Wow!
seen through your disguise.
Can you do that one? Can you do that one? Yeah. I'm in control. You're gonna copy this.
Let's do this.
Oh wow. He's actually dabbing. He's dabbing this way.
I got the slow clap and everything. Yes.
I tell you what, look, would you mind helping me out for a quick sec? What's your name? Everyone say hi, Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn.
Hey, there we go. Yeah, you friends. That's more than Eugene and I combined. That's quite sad. Thank you for
It's not something to be excited about.
Yeah. All right. So, if you could help me real quick, Evelyn, I want to make sure that this thing can be used in applicable modes, right? So, say for instance, Eugene's walking through the jungle and he happens to see a Thanator, which is the scariest animal we have here on Pandora. And we want to activate a thing called action mode. So I'll do it first, then you copy me. So you say, Eugene, action mode.
Action mode.
Wow! Do you feel intimidated, Evelyn? No, me neither.
Sorry, she's looking at you, so.
You're not that scary.
Oh, well, now she's looking at me. All right. Well, remember all that confidence that I found? It's gone.
Well, but she actually wants to fight you, I think.
All right. It's just everybody take it easy here. Hold on, I think I've got some.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. You know, folks, we've seen some scary things over the wall. Wow. I'm going to take a step over here, actually.
Finish him. Oh my.
Hey, Evan, would you like the helmet? Like, honestly.
There's nowhere that I can go. Why didn't you tell me this was going to become a Thunderdome?
Where is she?
All right. Get serious there. You never know what's going to happen in this thing.
Hey, how does it look to you, Evan? Does it look like it's functioning all right? Nah, me neither. Hey, give it up for Evelyn, everybody.
Take out, Evelyn. I'll have nightmares for that for once.
Is this some sort of salute or something? I don't know. Okay, cool. Well, we should probably see if these feet are walking.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know if they can go forward. I could definitely go backward.
Hey, how about this? Would you guys mind clearing out this last bit before we create a nice runway here? Eugene, could you tell us how exactly this thing actually moves?
Yeah. So basically, there's a system in the suit called the DBS, or the Dynamic Balance System. It's a pretty cool piece of technology. It's very similar to something you guys might be familiar with, a Segway or a hoverboard. You know, then you stand on it, you lean forward, and then the wheels turn, it stays under you, or it comes out from under you, you fall down. Basically, it's a lot like that, only way more complicated. We don't have wheels, we have legs. So as the suit leans forward, the DBS detects that shift in center of gravity, and the legs automatically will walk the suit forward to keep it upright. It's a pretty cool system. Actually, I guess instead of explaining, I can just show you. I just simply lean the suit center of gravity forward, and the legs automatically carry me forward effortlessly to my destination. And as I approach an obstacle, I lean the suit center of gravity back. It causes the legs to slow down and eventually bring me to a nice, easy stop. Then, of course, I shift my weight slightly over to the side to be able to turn in place, which is pretty nice. And then, I can also take a strafing step to the side. That's all getting a little bit more technical. It's a great glute workout.
Wow, you're still having a problem with those.
I don't know why thumbs up isn't working here.
Did you try manual override?
Manual override? Sweet.
Nice. Do you guys want to come in a little bit closer for this bit?
Yeah. You guys can all fill in so you...
Don't worry,
sun's at your backs and directly
we don't
in my eyes.
bite or smell. We don't bite. So, Eugene, what else can this thing do, or things you can do in this?
I mean, there are all kinds of different settings in it. Like, we were talking about party mode. We were talking about. Are you talking about party mode? Oh yeah. So that's what. So party mode. We like to refer to it as Pongu mode because that's the Navi word for party. So we're gonna see party mode.
Yeah. Hey.
Everybody knows that guy at party. And if you don't, it's because you're that guy at party. Yeah. He laughed because he knows. I'm right there with you.
Usually, this is the guy right here.
Of course, then there's also simplified guy at party, creation of Adam. Bring a little culture. You're welcome. Brought you kicking and screaming into that one. Let's see. Oh yeah, you guys have already seen thumbs up. We had to manual override that one. That one doesn't work so well.
Actually, there's one more thing which the suit can do. Now, I've only heard rumors about it. It's the voice-activated self-defense mechanism. Have you heard of this?
Yeah, I have. I've never actually been able to use it. It's never come up while I've been in the suit. But yeah, no, I've heard about it. I know how it works.
I reckon that with the help of everyone out here, we could probably replicate the roar of a Thanator and activate said mechanism with the suit.
Hey, I'm all for trying it. Hey,
Alright.
I'm feeling confident. Let's do this.
I'm going to need the cooperation of everyone here, alright? And especially you, Evan. I know you're going. Yeah. Alright, so on the count of 3, I need everyone to show me their claws and roar as loud as they can. Alright? And I know you got this. She's ready. She's ready. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. It's pretty good, huh? Okay, Eugene. Did that work? It's pretty cool. The suit puts his hands up to defend himself, and it's pretty impressive. Are you okay? Eugene? Are you in shock again? You look frozen. You need to let that go. Okay, sorry, just 2 seconds, folks. Alright, home base, come in. This is Clark. Yeah, we're in the valley just now running our tests. Yeah, it's fine, just Eugene's frozen again. Yeah, I know it's the 3rd time this week. Yes, we probably will need to check the seat off the suits. The cleaning ladies aren't in? Okay, well, okay, would you mind piloting him back in just a few minutes? I'll give you the go-ahead. Okay, you'll do it. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thanks, John. Well, as you can see, Eugene is slightly incapacitated. That's rather embarrassing. So I will take over, but I want to say to you guys, thank you very much for coming here to the valley. If I can teach you one last word, that is Kiovami, which literally translates to, I hope to see you again soon. So on the count of 3, I would like to hear everyone say Kiovami with us. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Kiovami! Thank you very much. All right. Hey, John, take it away. Let's get towards that gate. If you guys couldn't make clear the next path for John, he's actually operating so remotely. Hey, John, you're twisting right. John, can you turn this into the right, please? He just feel a little distressed right now. Okay, last bit. John, stop. The other way. John, turn to your left. No, your left. I don't know which way you're facing. How do you meant to know? No, I don't care what you have for lunch. Alright, John, you're spinning right. Can you stop? Up, down, select, start, right. Yep. And again. Once more. Okay, stop. Alright, you got a clear shot to the gate. Now whatever you do, just go straight, please. There we go. Alright, John, I think you're good size. Alright. Thanks. Oh, watch the pole, John. That's your right. Yeah. John is also here. There we go. Hey, Eugene, you're looking great. Not gonna lie, you're not smelling great, but you're looking good.